Hello, friends, it's Snoopy. After lunch at my friend's restaurant near here, I'm going to the hospital in Omotesando. He is the owner of an Italian restaurant. I'm walking along Aoyama Street. Aoyama Street is an avenue running from Shibuya through Akasaka and Aoyama, Minato Ward, to Miyakezaka in Nagatacho Chiyoda Ward. There are lots of students. I've been to Aoyama-dori University once for the university entrance exam and once for the patent attorney exam. Actually, there are many schools in the area. My mother went to high school near here too. She walked from Shibuya station to her school every day. Whenever I walk down this street, I think of my late mother. The name Aoyama is derived from a samurai named Aoyama-Tadanori, who was given his mansion and land by Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun in the Edo period. Tourist buses can be seen here and there as the tourists have increased lately. Railway stations in Japan are assigned code numbers. These are derived from the name of the line and the station number. Omotesando Station has three numbers, G02, C02, and C04. They are written from left to right in order of closest of the ticket gates. G, Z, and C indicate the Ginza, Hanzomo, and the Chiyoda lines respectively. So, Ginza line is the closest from here. This is the intersection of Omotesando Street and Aoyama Street. Omotesando literally means front visiting street. Sando is a road approaching either Shinto shrine and Buddhist temple. This is the entrance of Meiji Jingu Shrine. I prefer back alleys to Main Street. There are many complicated back alleys here and there in Tokyo. That's why I love Tokyo. Look, there are many vending machines. These vending machines in public make Japan, Japan. There's a Buddhist temple over there. This is a branch temple of Jodo sect. The headquarters of this temple is in Nagano. is one of the leading thyroid hospitals in Japan. I have an appointment at this hospital today. It stopped raining now. Look at the great view from this place. This is one of the Aoyama apartments, 16 apartment buildings built by Dojunkan, an organization established to assist in the recovery from the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. In May 1945, the Aoyama and Omotesando areas were heavily damaged in the Tokyo air raid, and the whole area had become burned out ruins. However, the apartment survived the raid and was rented out as a residence for survivors. After the war, the Aoyama apartment was used as a boutique and gallery, but was demolished in 2003 due to the building's age. In 2006, the current building was constructed by reusing demolished building materials. Now, the apartment used to be is part of Omotesando Hills, the cool shopping building. I prefer the back roads to the main streets after all. It's fun. It is surprising that there are residential houses in the area. I bet it's super expensive. If you are into characters, this is the best place for you. Kiddieland is a character shop. Find your favorite characters here. The Fore Harajuku is an iconic department store in Harajuku. It's located near the intersection of Omotesando Street and Meiji-dori Avenue. I'm approaching Harajuku Station. This street is still Omotesando Street and is getting closer to Takeshita Street. I'm going to Takeshita Street through Harajuku Station. Let's see how the view changes. This is the drugstore Matsumoto Kiyoshi. I guess the founder of the chain name is Kiyoshi Matsumoto. This is JR Harajuku Station. It is still undergoing renovation. The current station building was opened in March 2020. The previous station building was completed in 1924 and was the oldest wooden building in Tokyo. There are many sports brands in the Harajuku area. Look, this is Takeshita Street. It is is known for wacky, youth-driven shops selling colorful and crazy clothes and accessories. I used to go to school near here, so I saw this street almost every day. Harajuku Station opened in 1906. About 91,000 passengers use this station a day. This is the Takeshita Street exit. The old building still remains. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね